Tornado emergency, Carl, for both Huntsville and Tuscaloosa.
Yeah, it looks very serious right now in Tuscaloosa. We've got a big old ball that's coming right to downtown, possibly the University of Alabama as well. Tornado emergency also for Huntsville, for Madison.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for Blount County in central Alabama, north central Jefferson County in central Alabama, east central Walker County in central Alabama, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, storm spotters and the National Weather Service were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Cordova. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for eastern Walker County. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Dora, Summerton, Cleveland, Brownsville, Oneonta, Lynch Park, Rocky Hollow, Sipsey, Arkadelphia, and Kimberly. This includes Interstate 65 exit numbers 280 through 282 and US 78 exit numbers 65 through 72. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758.
Very dangerous situation, one of many violent tornadoes that appear to be in